Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 13th July, and today I am talking about the why string is immutable. So string is a non-primitive data type which have do not fixed size. String value stored in a heap memory. String is a class or object. String is a sequence of character or a array of character. After that, first we study that what is SCP. SCP stands for a string constant pool. It is also called as string literal pool. SCP is an special area in a heap memory where Java stores string literals values. Also, we can say that a string constant pool is a separate place in the heap memory where the values of all the strings which are defined in the program are stored. First, SCP stored in the method area in a 1.62 version of Java. After that, SCP stored in a heap area. So when the create a string objects is equal to new string bracket of double inverted Hepstein, all objects stored in a heap area, then Hepstein object created in a heap memory, then using of new object their object also create in memory located to object. When we create a string literal, then SCP also one object is created that name as also Hepstein. On that process there are two objects created. Why there create two objects? Because the second object is used in a future. Second object reference is create internally JVM string s is equals to double inverted Anubhav, then string literal allocated memory in the string constant pool, and the object is create on the SCP. The process only one of the object it's create. SCP are not applicable for garbage collection. So first see what is the meaning of immutable. Immutable means when we create some data or content, then it is not changed. Also, immutable object is an object whose state cannot be modified after it is credited. Some like that. String is immutable means when we create string, then it is not be modified. So immutable concepts which used for string objects. That's why string objects is immutable. It means one string objects is created, then its data and state cannot be changed, but new string object is created. String object is equal to new string bracket of double inverted Hepstein or object dot concat bracket of star. So here first create a object on heap memory and stored Hepstein, and after that object create in SCP and also stored Hepstein is a, but we know string is immutable, then there is no more one more object is create and new literal store on that object, and after that on SCP also create one object and store the star values. Here we cannot change original value of an object. We can create new object and their value stored. This concept is called as immutable. But on above code we can print obj, then their output should be Hepstein. So string object equals to new string bracket of double inverted Hepstein object is equal to object dot concat bracket of double inverted star SOP bracket of double inverted object, then output should be Hepstein star. String name first equals to double inverted Anubhav, string name 2 equals to double inverted Anubhav, and string name 3 is equal to double inverted Anubhav. Here all object store the same value or pointing same value. After then one object change its value, then its effect on all object. But string is immutable, then there is a new object create that value stored on the object so does not affect on the other object. String is a god Java. So string is immutable in Java because string objects are catch in the string pool. Since catch string is a literal string as a literals are shared between multiple clients, there is always a risk whereas one client action would affect all another client. Advantages of string immutable in Java: string full requirement and security purpose. So thank you.